screen, drop a 2. If you can see my screen, drop a 2 on the chat box. Right, let's get started. Okay, so all right, yeah, gotcha. Uh, so I've actually been following EURJPY since Monday. Yeah, I've been following, and I actually caught this entry right here where I have this SW and I have the charts right here. I didn't really get the previous screenshots of the chart before this move, but that was the entry right down here. He had two entries, and the one above is the second entry, right? You can see this was where the stop loss was about 10 pips or thereabouts. Is it? Yeah, about 10 pips. Yeah, you can see. And subtract this, you see about 10 pips, and the tip is just up there, right? So this was the initial screenshot of this trade, and you can see right here this liquidity, and definitely we had a cartel candle. If you can remember from the leak strategy, you've been watching my YouTube videos, and if you're following the group, right? If you're following the channel, you will know I talked about the leak strategy, and this is just basically what it is, right? Right. So this is the previous chart was the 45 minutes time frame, okay, and this is 30 minutes time frame, and that was the entry, right? So I was expecting price to come back again to this cartel candle right here and continue the bullish move, okay, and that was actually what exactly happened. This was the 15-minute time frame. You can see I keep updating my chart, right? This 15-minute time frame, and right here was when price came back, right? You can see from the previous chart up here. Where is it? Okay, yeah, from here right here. I was expecting price to come down. Yeah, the stop loss was just below this candle right here, and price to continue upward. And you can see price came down, and earlier today we had this bullish move. Okay, so now this is what's actually spotted on this. Okay, now there's liquidity being created above right here. You can see there's liquidity up here as well. So I took the screenshots earlier this morning at what the time? The time was 7:46 GMT time. GMT at 7:46. That was when I took the screenshot, and right here we have some kind of resistance. You can see this is an obvious resistance right here, and definitely liquidity as well. So expecting price to drop a little, then continue to complete this pattern. All right. So this was earlier this morning, and this is where we are right now. This is where we are right now from that chart. Okay, this is the live chart right now. You can see this was the morning. So assuming you short, I assuming you took the short entry right here, you will have made profit. I didn't take this sell anyway. My sell order for this sell is just right above here. Okay, so I didn't take the sell. I'm just holding my buy and waiting for it to hit TP and drop from there. Now, right. So let me go back to the live chart, and yeah, we can see this is how far it has gone, and uh, now it dropped further and looks like it's dropping hard kind of, but then I'm still looking at price to come and take out the liquidity before the final drop. So what I can see right now is this drop is just more like a pullback, and we expect price to continue upward. But then if this C point, right, of this pattern right here is a crab pattern, but the crab pattern right here, this money pattern right here. So if this C point got broken, then this pattern is no more valid. Okay, the pattern is no more valid, but the entry is still very, very much valid. All right, and I will show you the reason for that now. So what I'm actually expecting right now is if we use our Fibonacci tool from this point is high. Uh, I'm expecting price to come around 786, 88.6, and price to continue bullish. Okay. So the reason for that is this. Let me take this down to 30 minutes time frame or even 15 minutes time. So yeah. Right. The reason for that is this actually. There was liquidity right here, got taken out here, obviously. So you can see it got taken out, and institutional play. So price is coming back to close up the order, right here. And most people that are selling off at this point, they might be holding the trade for probably looking the total reversal, and price will just come here and trigger the entry and go back bullish. So if we also look with the sessions, this is getting close to the New York session. New York session is at exactly 1 o'clock GMT. So this is just past 12 GMT. Okay. So once New York session opens, I'm expecting price to probably come down here and continue the upside. But then this is not even the that's not really what I'm concerned about right now. What I'm really concerned about is this major move, right? So you can see liquidity up here. So taking back to 30 minutes time frame, you can scale in and see. You can see the liquidity being created right here. Now the reason for this entry is number one, you can see this crab pattern, crab harmonic pattern here. And once it's on it, definitely is a D-leg. You can see this is just lining up perfectly. And of course, I'm also expecting a UTAD, no, not UTAD, UT upthrust right here. So if we're gonna be having an upthrust right here, let me show you the old schematic. So if you know about smart money and wychoff, definitely wychoff, not even smart money now. If you know about wychoff, you know this is uh, accumulation, accumulation coming. You can see our PSY, buying climax. This should be this. Okay. This is buying climax. How about buying climax right here? Sorry, I won't be able to take any questions so for now because I also be uploading this video on YouTube, and if you have any questions you can just send me a DM directly, okay? So we have a buying climax, we have automatic rally, secondary test right here. Then after the secondary test we have our sign of weakness. So this is all lining up. Sign of weakness was just exactly at where we took the buy entry. So this made a lot of sense. Why? Because we had liquidity sitting down here and it got taken out. So I knew this was just a beautiful buy entry. It actually gave a re-entry anyway. If you know about catching re-entries, but I didn't catch this re-entry anyway. But then I took this buy. I had two entries and still running the buy. Okay, so that's that about the entry. And on the final note now, taking back to 45 minutes time frame, uh, you can see the leg 618 is lining up at this point where I'm actually expecting my up thrust, right? And the reason for this particular mark is when you go back in time, we always go back in time to get what exactly is going on. You can see from September 1st, yeah, September 1st, 2020, we have an open order right there. Have an open order. You can see liquidity up here taking out, and that smaller liquidity created here. Okay, and it got taken out again, and this was the last candle of that's our cartel candle basically. So this candle now is where our entry is, just at the week of that candle, and definitely you can see um imbalance. Right, we have imbalance play just in between right here. So this makes a lot of sense. If you understand positional concept, then you know this is just all lining up. Okay, you can see balance right there, and once you trace that to the current time, you're going to notice that it hasn't been filled up. Okay, back then we took an entry somewhere. Yeah, gotcha. So this is another entry we took back then. Okay, you can see liquidity. Just if you understand the leak strategy, if you don't know what I'm talking about, all you just need to do is I'll drop my YouTube video, YouTube link. Sorry, I'll drop my YouTube link on the group, so you can go back and search for leak strategy while I explained this concept. Okay, because this particular webinar is not for really going into full details. Okay, so you can go to the YouTube and watch. Uh, then you'll be able to have a better knowledge. I'm also recording this and I also dropped the YouTube channel for guys that missed and for guys that probably having network problems and the likes. Okay, so this was liquidity right here. Impulse definitely that's our high, and cartel candle definitely. Cartel candle right here. You see the last candle right here came sniped, and that was it. It dropped about 300 pips. So let's see. Let's see. So that was the entry. Because right there, yeah, it dropped about 300 pips. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So the entry is just around there and drops about. You can see about 317, 360 pips. So that is I'll be and the stop loss for that trade would have just been you could have put it around the 19 pips, or if you just want to be on the safer side, you could put it at the end of this candle finally, and that is going to give us. I'm trying to see this. Okay, that's going to give us about 35 pips. So 35 pips to gain 350. That's 1 to 10. So you know how beautiful that is. So now we are also expecting something similar right now, and yeah, so it's actually still dropping though. But then let's see if this pattern is still very very valid. Or if it breaks our C point, then this pattern is no valid. But then our entry is still very much valid because of the confluences we have up there, right? So this is my entry exactly, and that is my stop loss. So 126.87 and stop loss is 127.02. And now, if price come here and take out this liquidity where we have our uptrust, we might still have a U-turn, but I'm not very I can't really say I can't assure that. Okay, I can't assure the user because most times if we have our SOW already, if we have our SOW already, then we might not have the user. We just have the hop trust and the test, then LPSY, then price start dropping. So that is it. Then now for the TP is just right down here, 125.160, and that is about 1 to 11 risk to reward because the stop loss is just 15 pips and TP is about 171 pips. Okay, so the reason for the TP as well is just back to this resistance right here. So it might still go further down, but then we just have to be very conservative. So I'm taking my TP just back to this resistance. Then if price comes back into structure, then we can look to short. Right, we look to short market from there. You can see some of previous snipes. Snipe right here. There's another one down here. So these are lines I've had for quite a while. I can't remember a reason for those entries anymore. But then this is where we are, and this is the update on this chart, EURJPY, and yeah, I hope this was helpful. I hope it's you know, helps us in our trading and our confidence and everything. Just need to know smart money concept is quite interesting and quite easy to trade because you're just using limit orders and you're letting the market do its thing. Okay, so when price comes to a limit order triggers, that goes to your stop loss or definitely give you profit. And if it's going to kick you out, your stop loss is just very small stop loss, 15 pips, maximum 20 pips, and that's all. And we are aiming for 1 to 10, 1 to 5 weeks reward. So that's it for me, guys. Definitely, if you have any questions, you can definitely just send me a DM on my Telegram. So let me just drop my Telegram where you can message me. Okay, so you just go to t.me/underscore peep cartel. Sorry. Alright, so once you just go through this link, okay. Alright, go through this link and you'll definitely see me on Telegram. You can send me a DM. Probably you want mentorship or for anything, personal questions, definitely you can always hit me up. And definitely if you're on the channel as well, you can send a chat on the group. There's also the channel is connected to the group, so you can definitely send chat to the group. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me. And yeah, anything else? Nothing really. Yeah. So I think we're done. We're done here. All right. So I wish you guys happy trading, and today's just Wednesday, so let's hope we can still have beautiful trades before the week runs out. All right. Happy trading, and until next time, peace out.